Good day everyone, my name is Shirley Salvio and my topic is materials needed in writing research and sample. Okay, in research materials, have you ever been assigned a paper for school or work and had your idea how to locate your research materials? The good news is that in this lesson, we will cover some basic tips for locating research material in order to produce a professional and credible paper. Okay, first of all, before you begin writing a research paper, it is important to understand the assignment. If you have any question, you should talk to your professor or boss. Yes, dapat maintindihan mo yung sinusulat mo o isa yung title o isang research title nyo para maunawaan mo sa huli para hindi ka mahirapan sa paggawa ng isang experiment na nagagawin mo sa iyong research. The next step is to develop a good topic through brainstorming, which is the spontaneous list of idea or by searching the internet. Kailangan mo mag-collect ng ideas sa isang research na kailangan mo. Kailangan mo maghanap ka sa internet by searching and doon mo na makikita yung mga idea na hinahanap mo sa isang research nyo. Effective materials and methods section in your research. First, begin the writing the materials and methods while you are performing your experiment. Writing during the research process will prevent you from forgetting important detail and save you the time you will begin writing the full manuscript. Yes, first muna ay mag-perform kayo ng isang experiment na gagawin nyo sa isang research nyo. Kailangan nito may proseso para sa kukuha kayo ng important details para sa pagdating ng panahon, meron na kayong idea o sa time na kayo ay nakakollect na, hindi na kayo mahirapan sa experiment o sa paggawa ng isang bagay na gagawin nyo. Number 2, start with the general information that applies to the entire manuscript and then move on to a specific experimental detail. Example of general information that you could begin are characteristic of the study, population, sources, and genotypes of bacterial strains or description of sample or sample sites. Then you could share more details about your experiment. 3. Match the order in which methods are described the order of result that were generated using those methods. Also, be sure that each method you used is described even if it's just quick sentence. Toxin assays were performed as described reference. This practice is helpful for transparency as well as reproducibility. Always include citation for procedures that have been described previously. If you made any modification, be sure to list them. 5. Describe statistical tests as fully as possible. Give as more information about the test as possible. Just mentioning a test is not sufficient for the reader to determine if the correct statistical analysis was performed. 6. Avoid discussing the pros and cons of certain methods or result of any kind. Save evaluation for different methods for the discussion section of your paper. 7. To save space, be concise yet thorough when listing and the equipment to use. You might consider listing all of your equipment purchased from a single company in one sentence, or you could create a flowchart figure of the steps in an important procedure. Okay, additional, the materials and methods section describe in the detail all the materials that have been used. Conduct a study as well the procedures that are undertaken. As research writing should be orderly organized, therefore the materials in each of a subsection should be presented in logical manner. In each section of materials and methods, start with the most important procedure and go on in the less important. Also provide heading and subheading to make each subpart of the materials and methods section clear and understandable. There are various reasons why you should state all the materials and methods in detail.